everyone, welcome to another video edition of CollegeDekho. In this video, we will talk about career as a food technologist. The food sector in India is expanding rapidly, creating numerous job opportunities for food technologists. For students interested in a career in food technology, there are various food technology courses available in India at the undergraduate, postgraduate, doctorate, and diploma levels. Food technologists are generally concerned with the biological, chemical, and physical composition of all foods used in processing. Students in food technology courses use the data to create a new food product or to improve the value, packaging, manufacturing, and selection of existing food products. A good food technologist is expected to adhere to the following responsibilities: generating fresh recipe and product ideas, adapting and enhancing current recipes, designing procedures and equipments for the mass production of recipes, coordinating with the marketing team, ensuring that strict hygiene standards are met, selecting products from suppliers, keeping an eye on the use of additives, testing and analyzing samples, and writing reports. To become a food technologist, candidates should have completed BTech or Diploma in Food Technology after passing class 12th from a recognized institution with physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics as major subject. They are required to have acquired a minimum of 45% marks in class 12th or its equivalent. For aspirants of MSc in Food Technology, a bachelor's degree certificate from a recognized university is a mandatory document with a minimum aggregate of 50%. Those who want to work in food technology and help the industry grow should enroll in a food technology course at a reputable college or institute. Food technology courses are available at the diploma, undergraduate, and postgraduate levels in India. Some of the most popular courses are Polytechnic Diploma Course, Certificate in Food Science and Technology, Graduate Degree in Food Science, Preservation and Management, BSc Food Technology, BSc Food and Nutrition, BTech Food Engineering, MSc Food Science, MSc Food and Fermentation Technology and Food, MTech Food Technology. After studying food technology from a reputed and recognized institution, candidates can find a number of jobs related to the course. The food technologist job profiles can be further divided depending on the type of roles and responsibilities. Some of the top job profiles for food technologists are quality manager, nutritional therapist, food technologist, regulatory affairs officer, product or process development scientist, technical brewer, food blogger or vlogger, chefs. Candidates who have completed or study in certificate, diploma or degree program related to food technology have an advantage over those who rely solely on their skills. Students pursuing a course in food technology must develop the skills required by the industry. To pursue a successful career in the field of food technology, the following skills must be acquired: outstanding written and oral communication abilities, meticulous attention to detail, particularly in terms of food hygiene and safety, excellent analytical and numerical abilities, excellent team abilities, confidence, the ability to work on one's own. Employment opportunities for food technologists can be found in various areas like food safety manufacturing units, food and beverage departments, storage units, research units, food processing and production organizations, laboratories, quality assurance units, food business management, food marketing, processing and distributing units. There are a number of recruiting companies for food technologists in India. The role and designation of the food technologist depend on the educational qualification and experience they have. Let us now take a look at the leading recruiting companies for food technologists. National Agriculture Food Analysis Research Center, Nestle, GlaxoSmithKline, Solfit Nutrition, Britannia, Quality, Varun Beverages, Hudson Agro, Heritage Foods, Vadilal, India. A food technologist salary depends upon the type of task he or she performs. In the initial days, the salary of a food technologist is around rupees 1,97,000. It may go up to rupees 10 lakh per annum. The salary of a food technologist also depends on the organization he or she works with. Some of the pros of becoming a food technologist are: a food technologist get to know and learn about a variety of cuisines that make this profession to be an interesting one. Food technologist gets to modify and create new food products. Being a food technologist, one has the privilege to check, accept, and reject the food items that may or may not suit the various manufacturing and processing parameters. Building a relationship between the customer and supplier in a way improves the communication skills and makes a person extrovert. Involves a lot of traveling, both national and international. A few cons for being a food technologist are: a lot of hard work is required with no fixed hours and tremendous work pressure. Requires one to travel a lot, which could be exhausting. Food technologists need to be very careful about the tasks allotted to them, as anything wrong can put human lives at risk. This was all about a career as a food technologist. For more such videos, stay tuned to CollegeDekho.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.